Hello everyone, this is me, Mrs. Nagwa Ahmed. Today we're gonna learn a story. Are you ready? It's a magic time, story time. Do you remember? A, B, C, A, B, C. What is the sound of A? A says A, A. What about letter B? B says B, 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 B. And C says K, A, B, K, A, B, K. And I want you to look here. What can you see? Yes, I can see an alligator. An alligator. And I can see an apple. This is an apple. And look, there is a bird here. Can you see this bird? There is a bird. Yes. And look at the apple. What is it doing? Yes, it's running. And it says what? An alligator. An alligator. Help me. The alligator is hungry and it wants to eat me. And the apple, what is it doing? It's running. Run. An alligator. Oh, look here. What happened? Look here. What can you see? Yes, I can see a bear. The alligator said, a bear. A bear. And what happened to the bear? Oh no! Look here. The bear said, a banana. A banana. A banana. And oh, it is not a bear. It is a cat. The apple and the alligator said, it is a cat. It is a cat. It is a cat. Okay, now I want you to repeat after me, please. Let's say these words. A, repeat. A, an, it. Let's say it is. So this is a story. We said an alligator, a bear, a banana, it is a cat, it is a cat, it is a cat. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, my lovely kids. See you later.